نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فقد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في كلامه المجيد والفرقان الحميد قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إلا المودة في القربى وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم الحسن والحسين سيدا شباب أهل الجنة صدق الله مولانا العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم. My dear audience, as you know, today I want to make speech about a very great event in Islamic history, the 10th of Muharram, also known as Ashura, and the legacy of Imam Hussein radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Imam Hussein radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was the beloved grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He was a man of truth, justice and courage. In the 10th of Muharram in the year 680 century, he stood against injustice and tyranny in the land of Karbala. He was offered power and safety if he supported the corrupt ruler Yazid. But he refused, saying, "A person like me can never support a person like him." Imam Hussein radiallahu ta'ala anhu chose sacrifice over the silence, the truth over the fear, along with his family and companions. He faced hunger, thirst, and finally martyrdom. But his sacrifice was not in the vain. He taught us that standing for truth is more important than life itself. Ashura is not a day of mourning, it is a day of reflection, a reminder of that we must speak truth even when it is difficult. We must always stand with oppressed, never support corrupt rulers. Let's remember that Imam Hussein radiallahu ta'ala anhu was not just by word, but by following his examples. May Allah guide us all. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.